Hello SY students, let us consider the phase measurement using DSO or the CRO. So R and C simple network, that is what it is considered. For the input, the signal generator is connected and the same input is connected to channel 1 and the output across capacitor is connected to channel 2. So this is the arrangement that is considered with the experiment. So let us consider the things. So here the signal generator is connected with some frequencies, of course sine wave, that is given as a input for this circuit. So simple R and C component, those are there, and this as the output. So with the two channels, so that is what it is, a phase difference between upper channel is the input. So there is a phase difference between the two input and the output. You can observe that thing. So थोड़ा सा दूसरा सिग्नल जो आहे तो उशिरा आला है, चॅनल 2 चा सिग्नल हा उशिरा आला आहे. So that means it is a phase difference. So let us measure that phase difference using Lissajous pattern. So using Lissajous pattern, that means the Lissajous pattern that is to be obtained. So that is using the display mode. So display button, that is what it is pressed. So YT, that is what it is a mode now. So we have to change that mode to the XY mode so that we are getting the Lissajous pattern. So let us change that YT to XY mode. So XY mode, so you are getting the Lissajous pattern or the Lissajous figure. So measure the things. So you can change the position. So that is what it is. Here the position that is changed. So you are getting that as a from this to this. So lower intercept. So you know already the theta equal to sine inverse of y1 by y2. So smaller divided by larger. So smaller intercept, that means this is from this end to this end. Okay. So that has a two complete divisions. Those are there. Okay. Then theta is equal to sine inverse of y1 by y2 or y2 by y1, whatever that you can consider. So smaller divided by larger intercept. So smaller intercept value, that is what it is, two divisions, and the larger intercept value. So for that you have to change this one so that you are getting the things. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 3.2. So that has a larger intercept. Smaller intercept, that has a two divisions, total complete two divisions, and larger intercept, that is 3.2. Okay. So that has the y1 and y2, smaller intercept and larger intercept. You put those values with the equation theta equal to sine inverse of y1 by y2. So that means theta equal to sine inverse of 2 divided by 3.2. Okay. Now let us change the frequency of the signal generator, and you observe that the figure will be changing. Okay. So you observe that the figure will be changing or the angle will be changing because R and C component, those are there. So that is frequency dependent. So I am changing the frequency. You can observe that Lissajous figure or the pattern, that is what it is changing. Okay. So this is what it is changed. I have increased the frequency. Similarly, I will decrease the frequency so that you are getting the Lissajous pattern that has a variation there. Okay. So now the frequency, that is something like 7.84 kilohertz. Okay. Or I will put that as a 8 kilohertz roughly. Okay. 8 kilohertz. Roughly 8 kilohertz. And this is what the Lissajous pattern. So let us consider once again the smaller and the larger intercept. So smaller intercept, that has something like 2.2 and larger intercept, that I will measure and tell you. So it will be 3.4. So smaller intercept is 2.2, larger intercept is 3.4. So theta equal to sine inverse of 2.2 divided by 3.4. You calculate that figure. Okay. That has a theta difference. So this is what it is, a phase measurement experiment, and that is what the thing. Okay. Bye.